My phone lights up, but it's never you. I can't help but feel so lonely. I know there's things that I can't undo.